Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got something really exciting. I've been trying out the new Sainsbury's 2 collection and honestly some of the pieces are giving serious Zara and mint velvet vibes. They've got stunning bags, gorgeous shoes and all the essentials for your wardrobe, but at a fraction of the price you'd pay on the high street. Some of the bags have already gone viral on TikTok, so I had to share them with you. Let's see whether Sainsbury's 2 might just be the UK's best kept fashion secret. This faux suede jacket is absolutely gorgeous and it's only £30. I love the extra detail with the line across. It makes it look so much more expensive. Honestly, this could easily be on the shelves in Zara or even mint velvet, and I think I'm going to go back for it. Cowboy boots are bang on trend again this autumn, I'm told, and I found a fantastic pair of short ones for only £30. They're such an easy way to add that Western vibe we're seeing without spending a fortune. Shirts are going to be huge this autumn. 2 have a gorgeous denim shirt with a really dainty bow detail and it's only £22.50. They've also got a faux suede shirt, again just £22.50, which looks so much more expensive than it is. They had these really lovely detailed lace collar shirts. They don't suit me at all, but I know they're a firm favourite with lots of people. It was really good for £22.50, and it also had really lovely detail running all the way to the sleeves, and this is definitely something you'd see in someone like Zara. Burgundy is definitely back this autumn. I've seen it absolutely everywhere. 2 have loads of pieces in that colour, loads of jumpers and even that kind of preppy jacket over the jumper look. But I think the best find of the day was these amazing striped trousers. They look so expensive, really similar to some I spotted in mint velvet, but at a fraction of the price. Quilted jackets are really in fashion at the moment, and two have a gorgeous one in this lovely blue with embroidery. It's only £34, and honestly I could have seen this in somewhere like French Connection or Zara. Such a good price for autumn, and it looks way more expensive than it is. From the shops, I am already regretting not buying the purple bags. I think that's a really good bag for autumn, but never mind, I may order it online. But I picked up these amazing pajamas. I always see pajamas in Sainsbury's, and I did it last year at Christmas with the ones that were covered in bows, and then I saw them everywhere, and then by the time I went back they'd sold out. So I bought one of these straight away. It's the Cherry Sweet pajamas. They're super soft. I know they wash well because I bought these before. I went for a medium, so it was nice and roomy. They had a good selection of sizes. I tend to size up with pyjamas. They're nice and not too tight. I don't like them being tight. Really nice, got the trousers. So that is all I bought. I was so I haven't had my summer holiday yet, so I can't be buying autumn clothes really, but I did buy these, which were amazing. But I have just uploaded a video where I bought this absolutely stunning Le Creuset dupe. So if you've not watched my video of my homeware finds, I only paid £18 for this absolute beauty. So do check that out on my channel. I've got loads more videos coming, and I want to thank you for watching, and I shall see you on the next video.